Welcome to the Invoice Gateway Made Simple training videos. This session covers navigation and points out some simple and easy-to-use features of the website. Invoice Gateway provides a tremendous amount of functionality with very little labor needed. The following information is intended to get you started navigating through the web page, while the third and last video will demonstrate how to set up and make payments online. Once logged in, we are taken to the home page or main page of Invoice Gateway. This is where the majority of the site's features exist, and where we will be spending almost all of our time throughout this short video. On this screen, the bulk of the information is separated into rows for specific orders or statements, and columns which display varying information about each order or statement, such as invoice date or open balance. Each one of these column headings will allow us to sort all of the data on this page by any of our desired columns with a simple click of the mouse. Clicking a sorted column a second time inverts the sort, so now instead of viewing invoiced orders from oldest to newest, we are now viewing them from newest to oldest. The column which is sorting the data can be changed at our will at any time. Assuming the page is sorted to our needs, we will move on to the icons located next to each invoice number. The PDF icon towards the left of the screen enables us to view our invoice or statement on demand. This includes any returns, credits, and financing charges as well. We will notice that this invoice is an exact replica of invoices we have received via fax, email, or standard mail in the past. We are also given the option to save or print the file if we find those options necessary. Do remember that the documents are always securely stored on the site where we can retrieve them 24 hours a day. Have you ever needed to place a note on an invoice or statement to remember a key piece of information in the future? This note icon offers up that ability. Do note that the messages are only for your internal use and should not be intended to pass a message on to an allied employee. Once a comment has been created and saved, it is easily viewed on the main page. Additionally, when no longer needed, it can be deleted by left-clicking the quote icon and choosing the delete option. If necessary, multiple comments can be inputted for one invoice or statement depending on our needs. Moving towards the top of the screen, let us discuss the Quick Find option. With this option, we have the opportunity to narrow down our view to a particular invoice by inputting the desired invoice number or customer purchase order. Typing in a specific invoice number or given PO, followed by the Find button, filters in only order numbers that match the inputted search. This can save us time from having to scroll through numerous items to find the one we care to review. To clear the search, the Reset button should be utilized and the screen will return back to its unfiltered version. The next box directly to the right gives us more filtering options. All of these options allow us to change the information which is showing on the screen. If a change is made to one of those filters, that change will be saved until we come back into our filters and make another adjustment, or if we press the Reset Page option. Next to the filter options is one of the nicest of the site's features. This is the opportunity to download multiple items into one quick and easy file. For those individuals who need to print out 15 or 20 different invoices, but do not want to take the time to print them all one by one, this feature is for you. By picking the necessary invoices, and then selecting the print or download link, we are easily able to accomplish this task. Once the link is pressed, we are taken to a separate screen which allows us to download all of these files into one clean image for our viewing, printing, or to file away for later time. Selecting the PDF file type, followed by the Generate Download File button, quickly accomplishes our goal of obtaining that file. Additionally, if your company utilizes an accounting software package such as Peachtree, QuickBooks, Timberline, or many others, select that particular file type, fill out your software account information, and with the click of a button, a file is created which is intended to be opened by your software package. Once open within your software package, each of your selected invoices can then be imported, saving you hours of manual input as well as lessening the chances of a mistype. Imagine the time and energy savings of not having to type each and every invoice one by one. We have now covered all that is necessary to navigate and access the majority of the features on the Invoice Gateway website, available 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. There are other features that you will encounter while utilizing the site, so please feel free to utilize the Help button within the Invoice Gateway screen, or to reach out to your Allied customer service representative with any questions. Our next video will cover the last feature of Invoice Gateway, focusing only on securely paying off your invoices. Thank you very much for your time and enjoy Invoice Gateway.